Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the backup and reset section, and here you have to select the last option, factory data reset, then tap on reset phone to proceed, and for the last thing tap on erase everything to confirm whole operation, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.